I think we're supposed to go this way, but there was nothing over here. Unless we have to jump down in the water. Because we're
Any Baba Booies?
no. Wait, we came from this direction. What the fuck is the point?
Oh, over here.
Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay.
Oh, there's a ladder here if you're still in the water. There's got to be a secret in this water if it's telling me to jump down.
I just jumped in the water. There's no secrets, bro. Alright, cool. Now we're around.
Oh, more people.
Ooh.
Kirk!
Kirk! He's got the RPG again. Oh my god.
Thanks, Kirk.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Guys, I think that one was me. In the bird. He's throwing axes at me.
You stupid bird.
It's hunting season. Okay, I gotta reload. He's coming at me. Oh my god! Oh my god, he's lifting me away. Super screepers.
Get off it!
Get up, my girlfriend. I mean, my partner.
Oh, it's machine gun ammo. Oh, some shotgun ammo too.
Oh my god, this is all perfect. I just used all of everything I had. Alright.
Kirk, toss down some ammo or something, man. Oh,
Toss
some
us that
shotgun shells.
RPG.
Yeah, like the fuck, Kirk. Say, Chris.
Wait, is he just hovering there? Are we supposed to get to him?
I think he's giving us air support.
Oh, that's actually pretty nice.
Yoink.
Ah. Oh, it was you. Your arms are too long.
Yes. My muscly
Oh,
arms.
sorry, Chris.
my- What the fuck? I can't climb up. My muscles are too big.
Fuck. I got the fucking hiccups. Great. This is gonna make the gameplay very fun. Me with goddamn hiccups. Here, I got some ammo for you. Oh, I can't give it. Why can't I?
Oh
give it?
my god! Shiva!
Kirk, where are you going?
Kirk! Move, Shiva, move! Oh, I threw the grenade too far. Oh, there we go. That works.
Jesus.
Bats!
Oopsie. See, where the fuck? Okay, hold on. You. Pissing me off. Where is my... There we are.
Yoink.
See, where the fuck is my reticle? Please don't get back up.
Rifle ammo. Shiva, I think there might be some goodies around here.
Chris, I'm hurt.
Oh.
God damn it. Every time I move. Can't do that. Boop, boo, boo.
Oh.
There it is. That's all you, brother. I'm a horrible shot. That'll go to waste with me.
All right, so I'll be the sniper and
Yep.
the pistol boy. I'll be the long range.
Yes. Money, 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 money.
Money, money,
Money, money, money.
Oh, that means I could give you this MP5 in the, or I could give it to you right now. Oh, wait, where are you?
I'm right here.
Ah! I came to give you this.
Nice. Okay, cool. This works.
So I think it's like an upgraded version or like a stronger version.
Frosty.
Time to go hunting for some monsters.
Wesker.
Wesker!
Who's Spencer? Who's Marcus?
I didn't recognize that name anyway, Wesker. Oh, doing the little stretches? Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
little stretch.
That sounds really good.
We're just sitting up, sitting upright with no back support this whole time. It's wear and tear. I got two shotgun shells left. That's it. All right. Gotta make him count, boss. Are you calling us a motherfucker?
I tell you, butter. Oh. You. We meet again.
Evildoer.
Oh my god. Oh my god, please don't move. Oh, get quick scope, nerd.
Why can't do we have to be right next to each other to give things to each other?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
It's realistic. Ah!
It sounds like a little British kid. Hello, saucy. You hear that shit? Oh, yeah.
He was just a student
Oh
from
my God.
abroad.
Yeah. I'm studying abroad. Don't get back up.
Oh, that's you. I was gonna shoot you that.
Alright, I got some ammo for you, Chief.
I got some ammo for you too.
Tradesies.
Nice. Let's get out of here.
It came through that window.
Oh. Well, then let's get out of here.
No, this is the way to go, I think. I came back for you, I believe.
Oh, but
Oh,
that's
fuck,
crate.
a chainsaw. Not your usual kitchen utensil. Damn it. Sorry. I was too investigating too hard.
And the lore. The lore of a chainsaw.
Megaphil carcass sits atop the table. The smells are overwhelming.
Chainsaw? What would they be doing here?
See, Sheva's witty as fuck, bro.
Maggot! What a smell!
What a smell. Yeah, I can't imagine it smells delightful.
Sheva, this place stinks.
Can we get out of here?
I miss the streets of Malibu.
And this is a big door for us to open. Nope. Oh, nothing.
Did we just go in one big circle?
Did we come from this way? I can't
Yeah.
even tell anymore, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, this is the window.
And,
Whoa, a chainsaw.
It's-
Not your typical kitchen
It
utensil.
smells again. Oh, we go left. We went right instead of left.
Is this the door you went through? Why'd I close behind you? Oh, yeah. Then this should be... Well, no. Oh.
Oh. Kirk! My friends! Oh God!
Oh, shit, dude.
Coming after me!
What's a BOW?
Organic. Wait, no. Bioorganic weapon.
Damn, dude.
Kirk! My best friend! We did everything together.
Yeah, that's actually kind of fucked. Oh, shit.
What?
That our homie in the plane, in the helicopter dies.
Ah!
Oh, fuck. I got no ammo left at all.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. Cut that.
Oh, shit.
I saved your life, Sheva.
How about the kiss?
You want to go on a date?
Diamond across both
Oh
me.
my God! She's taken! Oh my God, why is there so many people? This looks
Now
like...
you're all in big trouble. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They're dancing, Chris. They're dancing.
You just missed the party, friend.
Sorry, this town doesn't allow dancing. Footloose. Footloose.
Kick out these undershoes.
It's the gritty reboot. Oh shit, that was rifle ammo. Well, I'm just grabbing everything. I will disperse it accordingly. I think you could use this.
Yeah, that's right. Let me stomp on that head. Oh. Sheva, I want to stomp on his head.
And then I was trying to step on his head, and then
Good job, partner.
my little door opener, you.
Jill.
You're such a flirt, Chris. Good job opening that door, hot stuff.
You really
Bad
know how to work
Nyla.
knobs. I got some shotgun.
Oh, what's
ammo
up, dog?
for you. Oh, hello. Fuck you. Yeah. That's right, bitch. Yeah, that's right, bitch.
Stay the fuck down.
Shiva, are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm here.
They won't stay down, Chris. They won't stay down.
She said stay down.
Well, that's both you, handsome.
Oh, hold on, wait. Where
Oh,
you
shit.
get
Well,
back
I guess
over
I could
here,
use one of
cutie.
those.
Yeah.
We're getting a lot of grenades over here. I'm not sure if that's signifying anything.
A bad omen?
Yes. Precisely. I got
do you got?
5
What do you got? You got a
bullets.
green
35
hand or-
bullets left.
Alright.
Wait, no, I got, yeah, okay. Let me reload this.
Here, take this herb.
Well, I think, yeah, I've got 2 herbs still. Combine that one. Yeah. Now, can you craft first aid spray, or is that something you have to buy?
No, you can't.
You just buy it?
You buy it or you find it.
Oh, gotcha. Money.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, more herbs. I got another herb for you.
I remember this part. I'm not too far away, man.
Yeah, you get stuff. Yeah. Here you go. I saw it and I thought of you.
Thanks, beautiful.
Let me help you.
You mean throw me across?
What are you talking about?
And do the front flip and everything? So extra with it, bro.
So where
Oh,
do
a
I
barrel.
Go? Where do I go?
Alright, I gotta make sure I'm ready with ammo here, because this is where... Yeah, I remember this. My brother used to always have to do this part, because I was always Chris. 5. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Do it. You're in safe hands. Oh my god. Don't worry, Shiva. I gotta go downstairs and then get a better view.
Oh shit, I gotta go to the stairs! Get away from me, freaks. I'm juking them. I'm gone.
Oh my god, I killed it! I fucking killed it!
Chris, why? You said I'm in good hands.
Oh, but you see that headshot?
Alright, you can come downstairs now, brother. I'm actually coming to you. I'm scared. I'm bringing the party to you. And then Black Widow says, "That's a party." Or what? That's that.
Where are these freaks?
Oh.
You leave her alone. Oh. Yeah, that's right, bitch.
Chris, he's not dead.
Ah, I got shot through the window.
I am not even hitting this guy. Where's my reticle? Jesus Christ.
There's some shotgun ammo right here.
I got some rifle ammo for you. Wait, no, that's the wrong
Where'd
one.
that guy go? Are you
Oh, you're
that
too
guy?
far. Come back here, goddammit.
Bitch. Stay down.
Or is your inventory full? Oh no. No, here, let's I'm gonna heal quick and it'll heal both of us. No, fuck off. I wanna just use it. Well, if I heal you, will it heal me too?
Just like use it like a normal.
Yeah,
item.
okay, there we go. That's good.
We're gonna be just fine, Shiva. Oh, one shot. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Fuck.
Get away from her.
What's back this way?
Oh, it's over. I got some shotgun shells over here.
Nice. Oh, I know what's coming.
You know, there's probably some. I'm gonna go back and see if there's good loot from the bodies that we killed.
Okay, I'm gonna go back up this way and loot the crates and stuff that I just ran past. So I just ran right through them. I didn't even try to fight them. See if there's anything up here. It's not looking that way. Yeah, no, I don't think there's anything down here or up here. Nice. Nice, 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 nice.
Fuck that door. Here you go, partner. Partner.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. What's up here? Oh, you can just get back there. Okay, really?
Herbs. Nice.
Oh. You said
That's right.
that's pretty bitch.
Checkpoint. You ready for this?
You know who's here, huh? You know who it is.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh my god.
Those saw blades are so sawy.
Sigh. Hey man, you don't look so good. Do you need help? We're here to assist.
Assist this! Oh my god. Oh my fucking god!
Oh my god, bro! Ah! Oh my god, he's just standing there.
Dude, he's right on my ass, bro. No, 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 dude, he's running.
That's right, bitch. Oh god. Oh god, get ready to shoot that barrel.
I think I'm close to it.
Nice.
Take that, you bitch. Let's get out of here, Chris. I don't like this place anymore. Can we just run past him? Or do we have to fight him?
Right, we have to kill him.
Oh, we do.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Get ready to shoot that
Yeah,
barrel.
yeah, yeah. I can't. Oh, too early. Oh no, I got him.
Oh god. Oh,
I think there's
god.
another barrel.
Ah!
Or
What
did,
the
did,
fuck?
did we use all the barrels?
I think so.
Maybe not this way.
Oh my god. Shiva! Oh no! Oh shit.
Go, he's right behind you, dude.
I got an idea. Oh, I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked it. I fucked it. Shiva, I fucked it so hard.
Oh, he's got a key that we need. Well, I'm trapped. He's right behind
Oh! Shiva! Shiva! Shiva!
you. Holy shit, dude. We cornered ourselves. Okay, now we know that we need the key from him, I guess. Over here.
Buy some shit.
Oh, we got some stuff to sell. We got some shit to sell. Both of them. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Get you a melee vest, boy.
Oh, we don't have enough.
So close. Just sell my weapons.
We could actually sell the Scorpion machine gun.
Oh,
then
true.
If you're
True.
using the MP5
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
for $200.
That's fine, though. We don't need it. I'm not going to use it anymore.
I wish I could buy more grenades or something.
Oh, fuck.
I guess we could buy some first aid sprays for healing.
How much money do we have?
We got 8K.
Oh.
8,600.
Oh.
Or do we save it for that melee?
Yeah, let's
vest?
save it. We don't really need... We're not too bad on health.
Oh, I gotta move my... let me move that there, and then let me move that there, and then... Alright. I think we're ready.
Oh, shit, boy.
Alright, alright. You ready?
No. Do I have a choice?
Yeah, I remember playing this as a kid, and like this boss fight was so hard,
Yeah, I know.
so scary too, because he's just always on your ass.
I know, dude. He literally was out.
Shiva, why are you running?
Fuck that noise. I'm gone. Let's start. Let's. Oh yeah.
That like didn't affect him.
Okay. Holy shit! Quick! Oh, thank God. All right, nice. Well, let's shoot him while he's down a little bit. I think you gotta shoot him in the head. Okay, we're gone.
Oh my God! Oh, that was scary.
Okay, go.
Nice kick.
Go.
All right, we'll stand.
Oh, I need to
here.
reload. Fuck.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Okay, we don't want to go that way. So we need to go to the left here.
Left. Oh.
He's on my ass, bro.
I know.
And then we got this one left. Okay, cool.
This might be too close, but we'll see.
Fuck.
Come on. I'm ready.
I'm ready for you, ugly son of a bitch.
Shit! Oh my God.
You got real close there.
Oh!
Nice, dude. Oh, the quick scope.
Gamer.
Damn, dude. Nice.
Oh my God, I was
Let's
super
go
low
loot.
on ammo. Yeah.
I think this is. You fuck off real quick,
Yeah, we're not scared of you. Bitch.
It was in the chest. Oh shit, that's
It's
yours.
personal.
I'm getting so grabby out here.
It's alright. We just fought. We almost died again. That was clean. That
That
clean.
was a clean run. Nice. Doors open. A crate.
A crate. Give us treasure. Oh, look at all that gold.
$3 grand. Holy shit, dude. Holy fuck.
We're rich. We're rich, Chef. We're rich.
Let's get the fuck out of here. We're rich. Yeah, we're gonna need a new couch. This is
Oh, God.
this is cord. This is a shitty ass cord I have.
We did it.
We beat his ass.
Yeah.
Allow me.
Let me get the door open for you.
Oh my god, dude. See that fucking bird? Oh, do you see him up there?
Where's the bird? Oh. You killed him.
Yeah.
You gotta kill those ones too.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Help me, Chris. Help me, Chris. Help me, Chris. It's too heavy.
I get it. You need my strong man hands. Yeah.
I did nothing again. I wish that, like,
Oh.
it would take the whole screen. I don't like that there's, like, black in the screen.
Yeah, I feel that.
Really stupid.
Oh my God, Kirk.
That sucks, actually.
Kirk.
HQ, is that you?
Damn it. Damn you, HQ. Oh, it's those birds that you shot. They're like,
They're pissed.
ah, we killed your friend.
Oh, were those the birds?
Oh, they're just birds flying around.
What the fuck is this? Holy fuck! It's flying. Another truck.
Oh, oh, dodge. Shut up!
Don't worry, I got you. I got you.
Shut up! Shut up!
Don't worry. I'm a good shot.
I was so scared, Chubba.
And then the chain runs up my leg and it pulled me.
I just want to go home.
Dude, we're getting circled by a fucking biker gang.
We're gonna need some backup. Ah! No!
Wait, what was that control? The prompt.
Chubba!
I did that. Oh, fuck. We're gonna do all that again? Oh, that's so stupid. What was that prompt? Was that up on the D-pad and L1 and R1?
I don't know. No, I think it was just both of them.
That's
at
what I
the same
did, and it
time.
didn't work. It killed me. Oh, this is gonna be so annoying. I know. I want to just lean back.
I know, me too. My tailbone can't take much of this.
It's my lower back for me. I'm like,
Oh my god.
what did you do, you bastards?
Hey, Sheva, wouldn't it be crazy if, like, a bunch of motorcycles came and they grabbed my foot?
And they got my fucking foot.
Right? I mean, that sounds crazy. Anyways, let's get out of here. Oh, what's that noise? Dodge! Not again! Just like
Just like my dreams. Don't worry, I'll save you.
Oh,
You did not get that far ahead of me. I was literally right there. All right, God damn it.
remember, Sheva, you dodged by pressing L1 and R1.
God damn it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh!
Thank God it worked that time. But you see, like, that D-pad in the middle? That freaked me out.
Who was that? Kirk? I don't know you.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Sheva!
Oh my God, that's badass. They both smiling, they're so cheeky.
Yeah, he's like, just a couple more American bros.
Don't worry, Sheva, the Americans are here.
Saving the
Shoot
day
to
like
kill.
saving the day like the heroes they are. Did somebody order backup? You see like Chris going for a high five, like, nice shot. Chris, it's you.
Jesus, dude.
Man, am I glad to see you guys. Chris Redfield. Sheba,
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
What?
you guys know each other.
Who the fuck are you?
You trained under Josh.
Oh my-
Damn it.
You must continue your search.
You,
According to the
you,
documents
you said you weren't dating anyone.
there's more info inside. We'll follow after taking care of business here.
I just miss Jill.
Jill.
Jill, I miss you, babe. Anyways, let me check my phone. Let's see
Finally,
if
some
I got any
internet.
matches. Oh,
Oh.
Jill. Jill.
Is that Resident Evil 1?
No,
Is that...
it's like a. There's actually a DLC for Resident Evil 5 where it's like the prequel where it shows what happened there.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's just a mystery?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Is that the homie Wesker?
It was.
Damn.
Oh no! What happened to our eggs?
What happened? Damn it.
Damn, dude.